All right. Okay. So, what are we going to do now? We are going somewhere. Yeah. And today is the 25th of December 2025, the Christmas day. And we have decided to go somewhere. Yeah? And you haven't got a clue where we are going. Yeah? Now, you're going to guess the country. You have only one chance, one guess. Okay? And then we are coming back on 28th morning.
Why don't we ask you questions to get clues and then you answer?
Okay, you can ask 3 questions.
Each.
No.
Each.
Okay. One question each. Okay.
No.
You have one question each.
3 questions.
No.
One question each.
One is not enough. Come
No,
on.
no.
I'm
Okay.
each. Then we'll get 4 clues.
No.
So who is asking the first question?
Is it a place known for its Christmas celebration?
Just normal. It's not known for Christmas now. Okay. Next question. You ask a question, that will be finished. You can ask the question now.
This is not a question.
No.
If I say the right place, will you say yes?
Yes.
Okay. Prague.
Okay. Your guess is gone. Yeah. So next one.
No, I didn't get the answer.
I'm not going to answer.
Say yes or no.
You did ask a question
I
and I
did.
answered that already.
No, you haven't.
Just remember that.
No, you haven't answered.
I did.
No, you haven't.
Okay, we will
What did you
rewind.
say?
We will rewind the video.
No, did you say yes?
He said yes to your question, not to Prague.
No, but then so what's the point of me asking the question?
Because he said if you get it right, he'll say yes. No, if you get it wrong, he'll say no.
Very clever.
Right.
And who is guessing next? So your question is gone, your guess is
Chunna.
gone. So Chunnu has got one question and one guess.
Is it the north or south of Denmark?
North or south of Denmark?
What a question. You've been to Denmark already.
North or south of Denmark? No, you don't need
I can't answer that question.
You have to. You have to.
Is it the north or south of Denmark?
There's loads of countries in the north.
Yeah, I mean, I can't answer that question.
Actually, there's loads of countries.
That's my answer. Okay.
The answer is it's the north of Denmark.
I can't answer that question.
You have to. There's loads of countries, so we won't just guess this one.
You can ask another question because I'll give you
No, she
another chance.
didn't mean that it is.
Oh, you will understand why I am not giving you the answer.
So it means
What's the point of asking these questions then?
I don't know.
Okay, can I guess?
No. Now, okay, let me go to
Can I guess
Chucky.
the country?
No, let me go to Chucky now.
I don't have a question.
Chucky, ask a question and guess the country.
Wait, Shirley said you didn't put
Can I guess the country?
Yeah.
Lithuania.
Okay, your guess is gone.
Austria, Prague.
No, your guess is gone. Now it is Chucky.
No, I'm just saying.
Chucky is gone as well, yeah?
No.
No, she didn't answer.
Oh, yeah. Who said Prague then?
Me.
Oh, yeah, you said Prague. Okay, Chucky? Do you have a question or you have a guess?
None.
No. Ask. ചുണ്ണവിടെ വെച്ചോടെ തല കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. How many hours is the travel?
3.
In flight? 3?
Yes.
Can you describe this country in terms of World War II?
I wouldn't say it is 3, it is more than 3.
Is it?
Yes, I answered that question.
Can you describe this country in terms of World War II by any chance?
Or does that make sense? There were so many countries involved.
Okay,
Is it one of those countries?
my answer is Casablanca.
Casablanca.
What? We are going?
I answered the question. I'm not saying I'm going. She asked me a question.
What a silly question she asked.
I answered. That's it.
Silly question.
That's gone now. She can't ask any more question. So you guessed Austria, and you asked a question, yeah?
Yeah.
So always ask the question
Okay,
first, then guess the
country.
country.
I guess.
Yeah.
Hungary.
Okay, your guess is gone. You didn't ask me the question.
You didn't answer my question.
Yeah, I told you I can't answer that question.
She said you don't know the country.
Hungary we've been in Netherlands അല്ലേ?
What?
That is Holland.
Holland. Okay.
Casablanca.
Just carefully think what you asked me, yeah? Sneha.
40 ആണ് ഇവിടെ അറിയാമോ?
Huh?
40 ആണ് ഇവിടെ. എല്ലാവരും എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് പതുക്കെ
40 or 60 or
40.
what was it?
Indicator.
So no more questions, yeah? Everybody
No.
guessed their country. Chakki guess though.
Casablanca borders located against.
No. I'm not asking for a discussion here. You had a chance to ask me a question. You asked that question. I gave you the answer.
I know, and I'm just brainstorming.
Okay, when we go to that place, everything will make sense. Okay? Now just remember your questions. Remember my answers. You understand? We have evidence here.
Enough. Stop it. It's getting silly.
So Chunnu doesn't want to ask the question. Chucky, did you ask the question?
No, I'm still thinking.
Good. Think very carefully.
No, there should be a time limit.
Mama,
Slovakia.
do you not want to? Do you not
Bulgaria. See?
Think outside the box.
Romania.
Think outside the box. I'm giving another clue. Think outside the box.
So is it not in Europe then?
Think outside the box.
What is the box?
Amma.
Outside the box എന്ന് പറയാനായിട്ട് there is no clue. What a silly kind of
No, when you
description.
ask the
There was
question,
plenty of people.
No, never.
What do you think you answered?
I'm still thinking.
so Chucky do you a question and Chunu do you a question. Oh no, Chunu already asked, yeah?
But you didn't answer.
Oh, just
You
one
said
question
she
to
gets
ask.
another question.
Oh yeah, you get another question. What are you doing? What are you researching?
Is Monaco cold?
Is this country in the north of Africa?
No. Your question time finished.
Is it not in Europe?
Anyway, we'll have to wait to get to the airport, then we know where we are
Whereabouts?
going.
No, Sneha. No.
Russia.
You lost your chance. Russia. Okay, so anybody got another question? No, I mean Chucky has got a question left to ask.
Not yet.
What do you mean?
I
You
have
haven't got one question.
Casablanca and World War II. Then the things you think about is France and Germany.
You can't ask me more questions now.
I'm not. I'm
Your
just
question is finished.
It's not questions.
And see, this is why you should ask the question first, then guess the country. Chucky is the only one left with a question.
Refugees are.
Don't worry about it.
Turkey's got her question.
Yeah.
Does the country border Serbia?
No. Okay, sorry, Chucky.
No, I said you got it wrong, or no, I'm not gonna.
Africa.
You
North
had no-
Africa.
Yeah.
There were 5 questions you could have asked.
What do you mean?
What you could have done was one person asked a question, then the next person asked the follow-up questions.
Oh, France.
Okay. We've been to France.
Mama, we've been to France.
We've been to France, and it is not more than 3 hours.
Not more than 3 hours.
No.
France is
Oh, nice sunny day ആണല്ലോ ഇന്നിവിടെ.
7 degrees.
7 ആണല്ലോ. Alright, come on, end of the quiz.
Okay, end of the
Stop
quiz.
the video.
Stop the video. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. When we get to the airport, we are going to check in. These guys are not going to look at the boarding pass until we get
Of course
to
we
the
will.
gate. You just scan the boarding pass at the security, go through the security. I'll take you to the gate. No. The board, in the board there will be many flights. How do you know it is your flight? When we get to the gate, you will get it, obviously. You understand?
No, but when we are at the counter checking in, they will ask.
No, don't look. That's what I'm saying.
They
Just-
will ask us something
What do you mean by
related
that?
to the place.
So then you have to stay away from it. That's what I'm saying. If you want the surprise, then otherwise, what's the point of doing this game? Or we can just ruin the surprise, you know.
Surprise, surprise.
Still haven't worked out where we are going, yeah? We are in Terminal 5. Where are we going now?
I don't
Which
know.
gates?
B.
B gate, yeah? You didn't work it out, yeah? Any clues?
Seat.
Any guess?
I saw seat. And then
Time for last guess, yeah? Everybody has got another chance to guess.
no, not last guess.
So what is your guess?
I don't have a guess.
What about you?
Slovakia.
What about you?
Prague.
What about you?
Austria.
So you haven't checked the gate.
Zurich.
What were you doing? Okay, so we are going to the gate.
3 o'clock something. So
It doesn't matter.
I was
3 o'clock, there are so many flights.
I was trying to look at
Baltimore, it's I don't know.
I was trying to look at the notice.
Okay, let's go. Any last guess? Last chance. Last chance. One more.
we're going to find out.
Huh?
Romania.
Copycat.
Where?
I don't know.
Which one? Now where are we going, guys?
Houston.
Okay, now let's go back. Now let's go back to the questions, yeah? Okay. What was your question?
North or south of Denmark?
Can you answer that? It is east or west. If you ask me east or west, I would have answered that question. Okay, now, what was yours?
പെട്ടെന്ന് 11 മണിയായപ്പോഴാണല്ലേ നോക്കിയത്.
What was-
Describe it in terms of World War II.
Yeah, and what was my answer?
ഇതൊന്നും കിട്ടുന്നില്ല.
Now, can you explain why I said Casablanca?
ശനിയാഴ്ച ഞായറാഴ്ച എത്തും തിരിച്ചു.
ഇങ്ങനെ എല്ലാവരും അമേരിക്കയിലേക്ക് എസ്കേപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്ന
Okay. All right. So that was.
I said-
What was the other question?
Acha.
Any?
Does it border
എനിക്ക് പിന്നെ എന്തോ പ്രാവശ്യം
Yeah. That's all. Okay. So you worked it out, yeah.
ബീഫും ചോറൊക്കെ അടുപ്പത്തായിരുന്നു.
Alright.
പെട്ടെന്ന് ഉണ്ടാക്കി.
Okay, guys. So we are going to where?
വെച്ചിട്ട് ഓടി.
You're going to
Houston.
Houston. There you go. That's aboard. All right.